people know the difference. We can smell the difference. Just like back when they came out with cubic zirconians. Right? Remember that? Oh, you guys are too young. Remember when CZ diamonds came out? Right? And I don't know, Dateline NBC. I can't remember the show. Somebody did. Brilliant episode. I still remember it 30 years later. Cubic zirconians came out, and their whole claim to fame was like, this is just as good as a regular diamond. They're like, okay, let's see. And they mounted them in the exact same setting, and they went out on the streets of New York City, right? And for some reason, the ladies could just tell the difference. They just looked at it, just doesn't look right, right? It just doesn't look right. So just make the calls, guys. Just make the calls. I'm not saying don't use stuff to help you, but don't use stuff to replace you. You're good, you're cool, you're awesome. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're gonna get access to the class. It's gonna show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.